Samuel Gaines Academy of Emerging Technologies, a K-8 magnet school, opens August 2018 for incoming kindergarten and 6th grade students. Be the first to discover a world of innovation that will prepare today's students for tomorrow's jobs. The Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math (STEM) magnet program will provide the foundation for students who want to design, create, and explore the future. The prestigious Cambridge Primary Program, Advanced Middle School College Board, and school-based technology programs will expose students to computer coding, agri-technology, medical studies, robotics, and virtual augmented reality applications, supporting related majors and careers. 6th grade students will have a dedicated laptop for personalized learning and easy access to digital tools. Students will become leaders and collaborators while using Minecraft and other gaming applications. Come join us at Samuel Gaines Academy of Emerging Technologies, where you can find your passion and invent your future.